everyone, and here, the little Frenchie in Big Texas. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. So today we are going to make together a homemade mayonnaise. Fast and easy, and I will share with you my mother's recipe. So I'm pretty sure my mom will be watching the video, so I hope I get it right. No pressure here, huh? But it's very easy and you don't need a lot of ingredients. You're gonna need the yolk of 1 egg, a teaspoon of mustard, and here I would really recommend you to get some good, strong French mustard. When you go into the grocery store, you've got all these big plastic bottles, honey mustard and so on. I would just forget that and go for the strong one. So the best brand here is Mayo, but in the store I went to, they only had the old-fashioned mustard with the grains, so that was the closest one I could find. So here it is. You're gonna need, of course, salt and pepper and oil. So usually for mayonnaise you use vegetable oil. Canola is fine, but here I'm gonna do with you a little variant, something a bit different taste. I'm gonna use olive oil and crushed garlic. So this is a mayonnaise that we call Aioli in France, and that is very nice to go with shrimps, with fish for instance, and that I personally love. So I'm gonna lower you down and we're gonna get going. So here's my bowl. So really no big order for the ingredients. I prepare my garlic here, but I'm gonna start with separating the white from the yolk. So I'm gonna leave the white here, getting the yolk. Here you go, yolk of 1 egg. With that, we're gonna need 1 teaspoon of mustard. Here you go. And I let it fall. So, mustard, a bit of salt, pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and then we're gonna need to add olive oil, and I'm gonna add my crushed garlic here. So I put 3 tiny cloves, so it's not that much, but enough to give a kick to your mayonnaise here. So make sure I crushed everything, but yes, I think that's pretty much it. And then we add, there's gonna need a lot more oil than that, just to get started here. All right. So here I would like to thank Monica at Blend's Promised Land Ranch for her video, The Easy Made Mayo. She gave me the idea of do it, so it's apparently an hashtag make your own mayo, and the initiative of another channel called Good Times Homestead. So if you want to watch other homemade mayonnaise recipes, please check these 2 channels. I will put their link in the description below. And while I continue whipping these eggs here and getting the consistency a bit more firm by adding more oil, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. But there we are almost ready, just a tiny bit more oils, and we're gonna try it out. And there you go. As you can see, it doesn't completely fall. It is a bit solid. You want to have some consistency, at least I do, in my mayonnaise. So here it goes. It's darker than the usual mayonnaise just because we used olive oil. So, and it does smell, let me tell you. If you like olive oil and garlic, that smells wonderful. It's delicious, and I would use it as well on vegetables. Let me actually try it out. So I got these carrots here, so let's do a little carrot dip into my aioli. See, it stays. It's got consistency. It's actually really, really good. So, other options, of course, you can do the regular one. No garlic, just the vegetable oil, just to have the regular mayonnaise like you put on a sandwich or anything on the eggs. Another option is to use a tiny bit of vinegar and tarragon with regular oil, and that is good as well to go with meat. It's a good sauce to dip with red meat. But pretty much you can customize it using different kind of oil. So here it was olive, but you've got nut oils. I mean, it's gonna change the flavor. The kind of mustard you use is gonna change the flavor and the condiment. You can use some spices, you can use some herbs. I mentioned tarragon, here I use garlic, but you can use something else. So just customize it the way you like it. So I hope you enjoyed it, you found it useful. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Gonna try. I'm not sure I will share a lot of my mother's recipe because she's a really good cook and it puts my expectations really high. But at least I did her aioli. So garlic, olive oil, mayonnaise. Thank you all for watching.